No.
Grab the clutch, grab the clutch!
Sometimes, sometimes, sometimes. Sometimes, sometimes, sometimes. Sometimes, sometimes, sometimes. I wanna be my lonely.
What you mean? You want a smaller one?
It's leaking thing.
It's leaking?
Yeah, it's leaking.
That boy crispy.
What's it called? On and off switch?
Yeah. On my bike? No.
Grab the clutch, grab the clutch! I tried to.
You got a picture.
That shit hurt.
Hey, you can't just pop the clutch like that. That's how you pop a wheelie, boy. How you feeling, man? So how you feeling? You happy?
Yeah.
Excited? Ready to rip?
Hell yeah. Let's do it.
Little soft nigga.
I'm aggressive.
You aggressive?
That's why I fail.
Hey, out here, man. Hey, man. We've been trying to ride the last few days, man. It's been so much bullshit, man. But one shit stopping us today, man. We back with another vlog. You feel me? Little bro about to get active on the 125. I'm about to hop on the 450. You feel me? So I ain't about to talk too much, man. We about to get straight into it. Alright, man, we out here. We got the bikes unloaded off the truck. Little bro, he ready to rip, man. On his Apollo, got the YZ 450, man. So we about to hit this little field 2 blocks over. I ain't got the GoPro today, so I'm gonna try and get as much footage as I can off the phone and off the camera, but for the most part, I'm just trying to ride, so I ain't even thinking about the camera today, but yeah, man, so let's get into it, man. Alright, man, just got done riding, little bro. It's a quick little ride out, you feel me? Bike's not too dirty. Gonna hit the trails tomorrow, man. Apollo holding up, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little impressed with the Apollo 125s, man. What you got to say, man, after your first day, bro?
You know my legs tired, man.
Hold up. What you saying now?
Legs tired, hit a tree branch, you know, almost fell off twice. I'm good.
Said you good?
Yeah,
How you feeling? You feeling confident?
Yeah.
Now that you ripping?
Yeah, I'm ripping.
When you gonna hit them jumps though?
3-4 months.
Cap.
Alright, YouTube, man. So that's it for this vlog, man. Just a quick one, man. We ain't really do too much. I ain't had no GoPro today, so I just want a little bro to get comfortable on the bike. Just getting some more seat time, getting comfortable twisting that throttle, you feel me? So that's all I wanted to do today, man. Great stress reliever, man, cause this week ain't been the best, man. And all I needed was a nice little ride, man, and just free my mind, forget about everything that's going on. So it's cool that I can actually do it with a little bro, man. You feel me? So I ain't gonna talk too much, man. If you watching this, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe, man, cause content is gonna keep coming, man. And I appreciate everybody rocking with me, subscribing, you dig? So I'm out of here, man.